In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PC Game Pass to GeForce Now. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Game Pass subscription active, regardless of the tier, if it's for PC, if it's Game Pass Ultimate, and so on, you will be able to link it to GeForce Now. By doing this, you'll usually synchronize some games available between both of these platforms. So to manage this connection and make sure that your Xbox account with the Game Pass subscription is connected, open the GeForce Now launcher, go into the menu, so tap on these three lines at the top left, and go into the settings. Of course, you will have to be signed into your account before doing this. And I am going to show you how to do this through the application. It might be possible to do this through a web browser, but if you want to be sure and you want to follow along fully, then do this through the app. Once you go inside of the settings, you will see your connections. So scroll down until you see the connections category. Manage your connected accounts. So you will have other platforms like your Ubisoft account, Epic Games, Steam, and most importantly, Xbox. So all that you have to do here is choose the connect option at the right side of Xbox. You will notice that they list the game library sync. However, automatic sign-in is not supported for this particular connection, so keep that in mind. But he will have game library sync available. If you want to learn more about these connections, choose the option at the bottom left to see what can be done with them, but all you have to do now is choose connect. By doing this, you will be redirected into a web browser on the Microsoft sign-in page. In here, you will have to approve your connection, so sign in using your Microsoft account, and NVIDIA is going to ask for permission to connect to your Microsoft email address. If you want to be sure to use all of the Game Pass features, make sure that you take these boxes here, let this application read your user profile, access your game purchases, and if you accept the terms and conditions, the link will be established. It's as simple as going over to the settings and choosing connect under Xbox. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PC Game Pass to GeForce Now. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.